guys, and welcome to KnitCrate. In today's video, we're gonna go over my new KnitCrate that I got in the mail, and I'm very excited about it and super pumped. And my cat keeps kind of floating around everywhere, and she just had a bunch of catnip, so she's covered in catnip. So if you see her and say, "Wow, she looks dirty," it's because she's covered in catnip. So yeah, today we're gonna go over KnitCrate, and KnitCrate is a subscription box service that sends you yarn in the mail. As you can see right here, this is my iPad. This is going over the different KnitCrates that they have. There is the original, which is just what I'm getting. It's just $24.99 a month. And then there is a sock crate version of it, where that's $19.95 a month. And then there's two other boxes where it's the artisan version of my box and the sock crate, which is $34.99 and $23.99. I'm actually kind of curious whether or not I would like these two, and I want to try this out because this is not my first KnitCrate that I've received, and they're interesting. I like a lot of what I get, but then there's sometimes where I'm just like, that color is not something that I would enjoy to do anything with, and so I end up with two skeins of yarn that are not colors that I'm super crazy about. But I know enough knitters and crocheters in my life that the yarn doesn't go to waste in any way. And honestly, 9 times out of 10, I do like the yarn that I receive, so I'm pretty excited about all the yarn that I've got from KnitCrate, and I definitely, spoiler alert, this is definitely a recommendation for me that you should do this, and I enjoy it. It's $24.99 a month. If you stay tuned, I'll give you my discount code, which will give you a little bit off of that. It's going to be down in the doobly-doo, so the description box down below, and you'll be able to see what I mean down there. And I do get a small commission for whatever people sign up, so just to let you know, full disclosure. But honestly, I really enjoy the KnitCrate, so if you like it, then do sign with my little link down below. It gives you a little bit, and it gives me a little bit, so it's mutually beneficial. So with no further ado, I'm going to show you what I got in my January KnitCrate. It's so pretty. It's called Rose Blush, and I'm in love with this. Look at this color and how pretty it is. It's this really pretty little pink, and it's by Vita Lana, which is a KnitCrate brand. And I'm just gonna take this off because it's driving me crazy. I'm gonna put you there. Vita Lana is, let me get you focused, a ambient worsted colorway Dawn Blush. So yeah, that pink color. There we go, keep you focused. 100% Peruvian Highland wool, worsted weight, 201 yards, so this entire thing has 402 yards, or almost 400 meters, essentially. Suggested needle size is an 8 or a 10. Hand wash only, lay flat to air dry. All Vitalana yarn are made exclusively for KnitCrate. So this is a yarn that you can only get through KnitCrate, and honestly, this is a really good price point if you really like their yarn. Usually each skein, I actually looked up on their website, it is usually like $25 per skein. So you're really getting a good value when it comes to KnitCrate because they send you 2 skeins. And not only do they send you 2 skeins, they also send you this awesome knitting book where they send you patterns that you can do with the yarn. They send one for both crocheting and knitting for both, and then there's also a knit pattern in there as well. It's this entire ebook. Look at that yarn and how gorgeous a colorway that is. And then there's this beautiful pattern called Walking on Eggshells, and it's so pretty. I'm adoring the really pretty like cabling honeycomb effect on it. It's really pretty. So if you're interested in doing a KnitCrate, I have a coupon code. I'm going to pop that right up here, and it's also going to be down in the doobly-doo. So I'm hoping to be posting a lot more, and I'm actually upgrading my entire YouTube channel, so I'm changing around thumbnails, and I'm doing more things. Right down below if you would like to see anything in particular. I'm thinking about doing my paid-for patterns on my Ravelry on my YouTube channel, where I might do a video tutorial for a couple of them. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and take a look at my Ravelry and see which patterns you would be interested in. Again, this is KnitCrate. There's 4 different boxes. You also can get billed either monthly or quarterly, so if you're not interested in doing a month-by-month thing, you can do it every quarter. So that's also pretty exciting. Alright, that's pretty much all there is to it. So I don't really want to waste any more time. Go ahead and check it out. It is KnitCrate approved. Alright, till next time guys. Bye.